How to survive career setbacks. Nobody tells you about this part of success. The silence after the rejection. The meeting that ends too quickly. The email that starts with, "Unfortunately." It's that moment your plans collapse, and the world just keeps moving like nothing happened. Career setbacks don't just hit your income, they hit your identity. Because you didn't just lose a role, you lost a version of yourself you believed in. You'd start asking dangerous questions. Was I ever good enough? Did I overestimate myself? Did everyone see this coming but me? Here, ask the truth. A career setback feels less like a professional event and more like a personal verdict. But it isn't. Every meaningful career has fractures in it. The promotions that never happened, the businesses that failed quietly, the ideas rejected before they were even understood. What you're feeling right now is not the end of your path. It's an interruption. And interruptions only feel catastrophic when you confuse them with conclusions. Here, what makes setbacks so dangerous? It's not the lost job or the missed opportunity. It's the internal story that follows. Maybe I should aim smaller. Maybe stability is safer than growth. That's the real collapse. Because careers rarely end from failure. They end from contraction, from people shrinking their ambition to match their temporary wounds. After a setback, most people enter survival mode, protect the ego, avoid risk, stay invisible. It feels logical, but survival mode is designed to keep you safe, not to move you forward. Growth mode asks harder questions. What skill gap was exposed? What assumption broke? What strength survived the fall? Setbacks are diagnostic. They reveal weaknesses that success was hiding. You can't survive this while clinging to the exact identity that just collapsed. You have to rebuild without guarantees. That means taking action first. Small, imperfect, unglamorous motion. Sending applications while doubting yourself. Practicing skills while feeling uncertain. Starting conversations while insecure. This is how identity reforms. Not by believing again, but by moving again. We're raised on a lie that careers rise steadily, but real careers look like plateaus, drops, restarts, and sideways moves. The people you admire most, their paths weren't smooth, they were resilient. They didn't avoid setbacks, they metabolized them. Recovery begins with reclaiming agency in small ways. Choose a skill to deepen, choose a network to expand, choose a direction to test. Power returns gradually, first in habits, then in competence, then in opportunity. There's an advantage hidden in setbacks you might miss. You become less fragile, less attached to titles, less afraid of instability, because you've already experienced loss and survived. You start pursuing things with less illusion and more substance. Surviving a career setback doesn't look heroic, it looks repetitive. It's trying again before confidence returns, showing up before certainty exists. It's quiet and arduous, but a setback isn't proof you can't succeed. It's proof you attempted something real. If you're in that space, now uncertain, bruised, recalibrating, you are not finished. You are between versions, and the next version of you is being built not in success, but in this reconstruction. So stand again. Not because it's easy or because you're ready, but because movement is how careers restart. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more.